Hi everyone, I'm Maya, and you're listening to Speak English Fluently, the place where you can practice real English for daily life in a simple and relaxed way. If you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our new lessons. Imagine this. You walk into a coffee shop, the person next to you smiles, and you want to say something friendly, but your mind goes blank.
Oh, that happens fast.
Very fast. Suddenly, you forget every English word you've ever learned.
Even your own name.
Exactly. And then you just stand there holding your coffee like it's a school exam.
That is a painful image, Maya.
But it's real. A lot of English learners know grammar, know vocabulary, and still freeze when they talk to a new person.
So today we're helping with that fear.
Yes. Today we're talking about how to start speaking with people you don't know, how to sound polite, and how to feel more confident when the conversation begins.
Good, because talking to strangers sounds simple, but in real life, it feels scary.
It does. But here's the good news. You do not need perfect English. You just need a few simple patterns that work again and again.
I like that. Not perfect English, useful English.
Exactly. Let's start with Rule 1. Keep your first sentence short and easy.
So not, hello, I would like to begin a meaningful social interaction with you today.
Please do not say that unless you want the other person to slowly back away.
Fair.
A short opener is better. Something like, hi, is this seat taken? Or, excuse me, do you know what time they close? Or, hey, have you been here before?
Those feel light, no pressure.
Right. When you talk to a stranger, your first job is not to impress them. Your first job is to open the door.
That's good.
And short questions open the door. They're easy to understand, and they give the other person a simple way to answer.
Let me try. Hi, is anyone sitting here?
Perfect. Natural and polite.
Excuse me, do you know where the bus stop is?
Also good. Very useful.
Hello, please explain your full life story.
Ben.
I had to test the limit.
And the limit has been found.
Okay, so rule 1 is start small.
Yes, start small. Now, rule 2, use the situation around you.
What does that mean?
It means don't try to invent a big conversation from nothing. Look at where you are. Use the moment. Maybe you're in a line, at a store, in class, at a park, at a gym, or waiting for a train.
So the place gives you the topic.
Exactly. If you're in a coffee shop, you can ask, what drink did you get? If you're waiting for class, you can say, do you know if this room is for English class? If you're at an event, you can ask, have you been to one of these before?
That feels much easier than trying to be funny or clever.
Yes, because many learners think confidence means saying something amazing.
But really, confidence is saying something simple without panic.
That's it. Very well said.
Thank you. I say one smart thing every 6 episodes.
I'm writing down the date.
Please don't.
Let's build a phrase pack now. These are simple phrases you can use in everyday life when you want to talk to someone new.
Great, let's do it.
Phrase 1. Hi, is this seat taken?
Very common.
Phrase 2. Excuse me, do you know where this goes?
Good for lines, buses, forms, all kinds of things.
Phrase 3. Have you been here before?
Nice one for events, cafes, or classes.
Phrase 4. Is this your first time here?
That sounds friendly.
Phrase 5. What do you recommend?
I like that one in restaurants and coffee shops.
Phrase 6. Sorry, can I ask you something?
That one is really useful.
Phrase 7. Do you know if this is the right place?
Very practical.
Phrase 8. Wow, it's really busy today, huh?
Ah, the classic comment about the situation.
Yes, and it works because it feels natural. You are both living the same moment.
Can I try using some of these?
Please do.
Hi, is this seat taken?
Good.
Sorry, can I ask you something?
Nice and polite.
What do you recommend?
Perfect in a cafe or restaurant.
Wow, it's really busy today, huh?
Very natural. That's the kind of sentence that can lead to a real conversation.
Because the other person can answer with something simple like, yeah, it's always like this on Fridays.
Exactly. And then you can continue.
So the trick is not to force a deep conversation, just create a comfortable beginning.
Yes. Now here's rule 3. After the first answer, use a follow-up question.
Because one question alone can sound too short.
Right. If I say, have you been here before? And the person says, yes, the conversation can die right there.
Tiny conversation, 1 second long.
Exactly. So you need a follow-up. For example, have you been here before?
Yeah, a few times.
Oh, nice. Is it usually this busy?
Ah, now it continues.
Or maybe, what do you usually order? That keeps the conversation moving.
Let me try a full example.
Go ahead.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Thanks. Have you been here before?
Yeah, I come here sometimes.
Nice. What do you recommend?
That's great. Easy, clear, and friendly.
And no difficult words.
That's important. Simple English is strong English.
I think learners sometimes hide from speaking because they want big vocabulary.
True, but daily conversation is usually built with small words. Hi, sorry, excuse me, do you know? Have you been? What do you recommend?
That actually feels encouraging.
Good. Let's do a quick check. I'll give the situation and you choose a good opener.
I'm ready.
You're standing in line at a bakery.
What do you recommend?
Excellent. You walk into a class and see someone sitting near the door.
Hi, is this seat taken?
Perfect. You're at a new event and want to talk to the person next to you.
Have you been here before?
Yes.
I'm doing well. I'm becoming socially brave.
Let's not get carried away.
Fair.
Before we finish part 1, remember these 3 ideas. First, keep your opening short. Second, use the situation around you. Third, ask one follow-up question so the conversation can continue.
And that already makes talking to strangers feel less scary.
Much less scary. You don't need magic. You need a few good lines and a calm voice.
And maybe a little courage.
Yes, just a little. In the next part, we'll practice longer real-life conversations and show you how to keep talking without sounding awkward. Welcome back. Now let's move from opening a conversation to keeping it going without feeling stiff or awkward.
Because sometimes the first sentence is okay, but the second sentence disappears.
Exactly. You say, "Hi, is this seat taken?" The person says, "No." You sit down, and then your brain says, "Well, that's all I've got."
Conversation over. Good night, everybody.
Right. So in this part, we'll practice a simple pattern you can use after the first question.
Good. I need a pattern. My brain likes patterns.
The pattern is this: opener, response, small comment, follow-up.
Say that again.
Opener, response, small comment, follow-up.
Okay, so first I open the conversation. Then the other person answers. Then I make a small comment about what they said. Then I ask one more question.
Perfect. That makes you sound natural because real conversations are not just question, question, question.
Yeah, that can sound like a police interview.
Exactly. Listen to this example. Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time.
Oh, same here. I wasn't sure what to expect. So, what brought you here?
That sounds smooth.
Because I didn't jump from one question to another. I added a small comment first. Oh, same here. I wasn't sure what to expect.
So the small comment makes the conversation warmer.
Yes, it shows you're listening. That matters a lot when you talk to someone new.
Let me try one.
Go ahead.
What do you recommend?
The iced latte is really good.
Oh, nice. I was thinking about getting that. Is it sweet?
Very good.
So my small comment was, oh, nice. I was thinking about getting that.
Exactly. Then your follow-up was, is it sweet?
I'm getting better at this.
You are. Now let's make this even easier. Here are some simple small comments you can use in many conversations.
Good. Reusable English.
Comment 1. Oh, nice.
Easy.
Comment 2. That makes sense.
Also easy.
Comment 3. Really? That's interesting.
Good when the answer surprises you.
Comment 4. Oh, same here.
I like that one. It builds connection fast.
Comment 5. That sounds good.
Very useful.
Comment 6. I've heard that too.
Nice.
Comment 7. That's good to know.
Great phrase.
These are short, simple, and natural. They give you a bridge to the next question.
So instead of feeling pressured to say something smart, I can just react in a normal way.
Exactly. A normal reaction is enough.
That might be the most helpful thing for English learners to hear.
I think so too. Many learners believe every sentence must be impressive, but in real life, friendly English is usually simple English.
Okay, give me a real-life situation.
You're at the gym and you want to talk to the person next to you.
All right. Excuse me, do you know if this machine is free?
Yeah, I think he's done.
Oh, good to know. Thanks. Do you come here often?
Nice. That worked well.
It's not too much?
No, that's fine, but let me improve it a little.
Okay.
After thanks, you could say, I'm still figuring this place out. Then ask, do you come here often?
Ah, so the small comment makes it softer.
Yes. Listen to the full version. Excuse me, do you know if this machine is free?
Yeah, I think he's done.
Oh, good to know. I'm still figuring this place out. Do you come here often?
That sounds much more natural.
Good. Now let's talk about something important. Not every stranger wants a long conversation.
True, some people answer like this. Yeah. End of story.
Exactly. So confidence also means knowing when to continue and when to stop.
That's actually helpful because sometimes learners think a short answer means they did something wrong.
Yes, but not always. Sometimes the person is busy. Sometimes they're tired. Sometimes they're just quiet.
So don't take it personally.
Right. If the other person gives very short answers, doesn't smile, or looks away a lot, that may mean they don't want to keep talking.
And then what do you do?
End politely. You can say, got it, thanks, or no worries, have a good one, or thanks anyway.
That's important because confidence is not only starting well, it's also ending well.
Exactly. Let's make a phrase pack for polite endings.
Good idea.
Phrase 1, thanks, I appreciate it.
Nice.
Phrase 2, got it, thanks.
Short and useful.
Phrase 3, no worries, have a good day.
Very natural.
Phrase 4, thanks anyway.
Good when the answer is no.
Phrase 5, it was nice talking to you.
That's friendly.
Phrase 6, enjoy the rest of your day.
I hear that a lot in the U.S.
Yes, very common. Phrase 7, I should get going, but take care.
Good for ending a longer conversation.
Phrase 8, see you around.
Casual and friendly.
Now let's do guided practice. I'll be the stranger, you start the conversation, keep it going, and then end it politely.
All right, I'm nervous but ready.
You're waiting for a bus.
Excuse me, do you know if this bus goes downtown?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, great. This is my first time taking it. Does it stop near Main Street?
Yes, I think so.
That's good to know. Thanks, I appreciate it.
Excellent. Very practical, very natural.
I lived. I survived.
You did. Let's try another one. You're at a bookstore.
Hi, have you read this one before?
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, nice. I've heard good things about it. Is it an easy read?
Pretty easy, yeah.
Perfect. I've been looking for something light. Thanks.
Great job.
That one felt more like a real conversation.
Yes, because you reacted to the answer and asked a follow-up that made sense.
Let's do one where the conversation does not go well.
Good idea. That's real life too. You're standing in line at a food truck.
Hey, have you eaten here before?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. What do you recommend?
I don't know. Everything's fine.
Oof, cold answer.
A little cold, yes.
Then I say, okay, got it, thanks.
Perfect. You did not panic. You did not force it. You just ended politely.
That actually feels powerful.
It is powerful. A lot of confidence comes from staying calm, even in small, awkward moments.
So if a conversation is short, that's okay.
More than okay. That's normal. Not every conversation becomes a friendship.
Probably for the best.
Then,
I'm kidding.
let's do a mini quiz. I'll give the situation, and you choose the best follow-up.
Let's go.
Someone says, it's my first time here.
Oh, same here. What do you think so far?
Excellent. Someone says, I usually get the chicken sandwich.
That sounds good. Is it spicy?
Perfect. Someone gives only short answers and keeps looking at their phone.
All right, thanks. Have a good day.
Exactly right.
I'm starting to see the full picture now.
Good. Here's the big idea from this part. To keep a conversation going, don't jump from question to question. Use this pattern. Opener, response, small comment, follow-up.
And if the other person isn't interested, end politely and move on.
Yes, that is still a success. You spoke, you stayed calm, you handled the moment well.
In the next part, can we do confidence practice for common daily situations?
Yes, in the next part, we'll do fast, everyday role plays, quick corrections, and simple lines you can use in places like coffee shops, stores, public transit, and class. All right, now let's make this practical. In this part, we're going to do fast, real-life role plays so you can hear what confident, simple English sounds like in everyday situations.
Good, because learning the pattern is helpful, but using it in real situations is where the fear usually shows up.
Exactly. So let's practice 4 common places: a coffee shop, a classroom, public transportation, and a store.
Very real, very useful.
And remember the simple pattern from part 2. Opener, response, small comment, follow-up.
I'm ready.
Situation 1. You're in a coffee shop. You want to talk to the person standing next to you while waiting for your order.
Okay. Hey, have you tried the cold brew here?
Yeah, I get it all the time.
Oh, nice. I've been thinking about ordering it. Is it strong?
A little, yeah, but it's good.
Good to know. I may try it today.
Very natural. That's exactly the kind of conversation that works well. It starts with the situation, it stays light, and it doesn't sound forced.
Also, I didn't try to sound too clever.
Right, that helps. Now, let me improve one small thing.
Okay.
Instead of, I may try it today, a more natural daily phrase in American English is, I might try it today, or I think I'll try it.
Ah, yes. I think I'll try it. Sounds smoother.
Exactly. Let's do the full version again.
Hey, have you tried the cold brew here?
Yeah, I get it all the time.
Oh, nice. I've been thinking about ordering it. Is it strong?
A little, yeah, but it's good.
Good to know. I may try it today.
Perfect.
I actually want cold brew now.
That is not today's lesson.
It is now.
Situation 2. You're in class. You sit next to someone before the lesson starts.
Okay. Hi, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Thanks. Have you taken a class with this teacher before?
Yeah, I had her last semester.
Oh, nice. I've heard she's really good. Is the class hard?
Not really. She explains things well.
That's good to hear.
Excellent. That sounds calm and natural.
I like that one because it feels useful and friendly.
Yes, and here's why it works. You asked about something the other person can answer easily, then you reacted. Then you asked a simple follow-up.
So there was no pressure.
Exactly. Pressure makes people freeze. Simplicity helps people speak.
That should be on a poster.
A very boring poster.
A helpful poster.
Situation 3. You're waiting for a train or bus.
Excuse me, do you know if this train goes to Central Station?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, great. This is my first time taking it. Does it stop there directly?
No, you have to change once.
Got it. Thanks. That's really helpful.
Perfect. Notice something important here.
What?
That conversation stayed short, and that is fine.
Right. Not every conversation needs to become longer.
Exactly. Some daily interactions are just a few lines. That still counts as successful speaking.
I think learners forget that.
They do. Speaking confidence doesn't only mean long conversations. It also means handling short conversations clearly and calmly.
That's a big point.
Situation 4. You're in a store and you want help finding something.
Sorry, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Do you know where the notebooks are?
Yeah, they're in the back near the office supplies.
Oh, thanks. I'm still learning where everything is in the store.
That's a nice small comment.
Is that section on the left or the right?
On the left.
Perfect. Thanks. I appreciate it.
Very good. Clear and polite.
So now we've done 4 real situations.
Yes, and now I want to give everyone a bigger phrase pack. These are easy, daily use lines you can keep in your head and use again and again.
Good. Let's build the starter kit.
Phrase 1. Hi, is this seat taken?
Great for class, waiting rooms, buses, anywhere.
Phrase 2. Excuse me, do you know if this is the right line?
Very useful in public places.
Phrase 3. Have you been here before?
Nice for events, classes, or new places.
Phrase 4. What do you recommend?
One of the best simple conversation starters.
Phrase 5. Oh, nice. I've heard good things about it.
Good reaction phrase.
Phrase 6. That's good to know.
Very natural.
Phrase 7. I'm still figuring this place out.
I love that one. It sounds honest and relaxed.
Phrase 8. Is it usually this busy?
Nice for cafés,